And welcome back, everybody. Okay, where to next, I say? Okay, righto. So last video we, if I click into my 3D, okay, we created this topo surface from the points of the AutoCAD file. Okay, so next thing we need to do now is actually reset our levels, okay, so that they relate directly to this topo surface and not what was happening originally. Okay, so to do that, we're going to use our section tool as our starting point. Okay, so I'm going to go to the ground floor plan. Okay, even though I can't see the topo surface, I know where it is. Okay, so I'm going to drag my mouse up here, so new section up here. Okay, left click on that, and then just left click, okay, to create our section view. Okay, and zoom into here. So two ways you can get into the section view. Number one, you can go through the project browser, and where are we? Yeah, section 1. Or if you're really in a hurry, you can just double click on the section head like that. Okay, and it's going to take you directly to that view. Okay, so the section view is missing a few little bits and bobs, so the view region is not quite what we need. So just click on the view region. We get our little blue grips there. Okay, left click, hold it down, drag. There we go, and that starts giving us a bit more information about where we are. So here we have some information. Okay, let's have a look. So this line here, okay, highlight there, that is the actual DWG file. Okay, so it's a flat file, and it's currently tied to the ground floor plan. I have some other levels here that are part of my default levels, or my template. Excuse me. And here is the top of the topo surface at that at the section point. Now it's a nice flat surface, so we're not going to have too many issues here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get my ground floor plan, okay, and this is the one that's going to obviously be where the first floor is going to, or the ground floor is going to sit. So a couple of things I could do, but okay, is it going to let me grip it? No, there it is there. Okay, so hover around until you can find your little move button, and I'm just going to place it up there for now. Okay, so I now have the ground floor level above the topo surface. And if I do a quick check of the distance, okay, 330 mil. Yeah, I'm just going to drop that down a little bit. So I'm just going to, where it says 2.718 meters. Okay, I'm going to make that 2.7 meters exactly. Okay, so this is now sitting about 300 millimeters above ground floor level, so I can use that later on. Okay, now this is a single story house, so at the moment I don't need this first floor plan here, so I'm just going to pick on it and I'm going to go DE for delete. Yes, I do actually want to delete that. This plan here, first floor ceiling, I'm going to drag this a little bit further up. I'm going to left click on there and I'm going to change that to roof plan. Yes, I do want to rename that. I want it to be renamed in there. Okay, and now the ground floor ceiling, which does correlate to the ground floor plan at this stage. So I'm going to click on that. Rather than trying to move it, I'm going to use my temporary dimension here, 918. I'm going to type in 2750, enter. Okay, so I now have a 9-foot stud with allowance for finishes, both ceiling and ground. Okay, so with these levels in place, okay, we will be able to really if we go to our ground floor plan, okay, we're going to be now ready to start designing our house in the next video. So until then, my 5 minutes is up. We will see you later.